One question lang talaga from me. Kasi nung pinalabas yung trailer, like maraming fans like disagree na ikaw yung magpo-portray as Dr. Gladden. Pero nung nirelease yung trailer, maraming natawa and like parang praise yung acting mo and parang sinabi rin nila na na-exceed mo yung expectations nila when you portrayed Dr. Gladden. So, ano yung thoughts mo doon?
Well, I can't really do anything about thank you, the imagination ng fans kasi they all have their own visuals kung sino yung gusto nila mag-portray as Doc Gladden. And I believe, ako ating pinaka-last na natagtag sa University series, so talagang kinabangan nila for 3 years. And 3 years rin walang partner si Hob, so they were very curious as to who is Doc Gladden. So nung na-reveal ako, there were a mix of emotions na lumabas sa social media. Pero like I said earlier, di ko kontrolado yung imagination nila kasi, well, ano nila yun fantasies nila yun kumbaga. So, tsaka sa line of work namin, di naman talaga mawawala yung challenges as an actor to portray this kind of role. So, talagang ginalingan ko lang and I read the book, most importantly, binasa ko talaga yung libro ng paulit-ulit para makuha ko and ma-embody ko si Doc Gladden. So with the turnaround of the perception of the fans towards the series, sobrang naging masaya ako dun. Sobrang naging grateful ako dun. And hindi ko siya in-expect. As in, sobrang dami po kasi talagang nakikita ko negative remarks or reacts or posts ng mga fans. Pero what I'm most grateful for is yung mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa series namin. Yun po.